Hi guys, I was just going to put this bottle out for the recycling. Plastic bottle, Ribena, 1.5 litres. It's quite a hard plastic. Anyway, I'm going to make a rubber band powered car with it. I'll drill a couple of holes through the back here for the axle. There is actually a seam round there which I could use to line things up. I'll cut a bit out the top here because we need to be able to reach in to wrap the rubber band round the axle. At the front end, we could just drill a hole straight through and put an axle through there, but you'll have quite a bit of trouble trying to keep that straight because the slightest misalignment when you drill that, it's going to make your steering go all over the place. So to get around that, I 3D printed a front end using the usual CDs with bottle caps taped in place and a barbecue skewer for the axle. I've printed that. That'll go on there. So that's our front end. I've also put a bar across the middle of it so we can attach the rubber band. So attach the rubber band, drop it through there. So say cut a hole in here so we can reach inside and get to it. And drill a couple of holes through there for the axle to go through at the back. So I'll do that. I've looped the rubber band around that bar that I had across the front there, fed it through, joined a few together so we got enough to get to the back. I'll put the back axle on and we'll try it. Put that around there. If you just let it go over itself, like that, that holds it in place while you wind it up. That should do. Okay, that works. We'll go back the other way and see if we can hit the camera. Right, I've got my wireless microphone on so you can hear me talking from this end of the room, which is just as well because it's raining hard outside and it's very noisy out there. Off we go. There we go. Perfect. Turn the lights off. Summary time. What have we got? We've got a large Ribena bottle, 4 CDs, 8 bottle caps taped to the CDs, 2 barbecue skewers, and a 3D printed front axle tube mounting, whatever you want to call it. Summary time, if you can hear me over the rain outside. What have we got? We've got a 1.5 litre Ribena bottle, which I've 3D printed a front axle assembly that just plugs into the existing hole. The wheels are CDs, the hubs are bottle caps just taped in place. The axles are barbecue skewers. We cut a hole in the top so we could get through to the axle, and we've got some rubber bands in there. And that's it.